Our clinic contributes to a patient by the special method of the Ohguchi dental implant method and the Ohguchi orthodontics. Briefing session of the Ohguchi style implant operation method, not to sharpen a bone with a drill. Target, dentist, lecturer, Dr. Ohguchi, holding of a briefing session at any time.
We gave a lecture on OAM, the Ohguchi method implant in Osaka.
This time it was held in Osaka, but there were also participants from distance, such as Tochigi Prefecture and Fukuoka Prefecture.
We have gathered dentists who want to give implant treatment at their own clinic. OAM is the implant treatment that was born out of modernization spirit.
Roughly speaking, the concept of OAM is as follows.
Not sharpen bones. We don't add unnecessary things. Don't attack our risk. 3. The concept is above 3 points. Please imagine a head. You don't need to add bones unless you reduce them. Right?
The next workshop will be in June and September in Tokyo. Next spring, there will be a talk in the United States.
In my talk in the United States, I will try to talk about the Japanese mottainai spirit and the culture that values materials.
Let's talk a little about that.
In Japan's history, the Edo period is the 265 years from 1603, when Tokugawa Ieyasu became consul general, to 1867. Shogun returned political power to the emperor.
Edo was the former name of Tokyo, and that time the shogunate, the center of power, as in Edo.
Japan was isolated for about 250 years during the Edo period, so there were no import from abroad, and everything was covered with domestic energy and resources.
Foreigners who visited Edo was very surprised at the cleanliness of the town.
Compared to Europe, people in the Edo period don't throw away immediately because things are broken. The broken ones were repaired by the artisans of various genres.
The way of thinking of Edo period is modernized spirit.
Wealthy people buy quality things. The general people buy second-hand goods, and if they break, they fixed it and fixed it and fixed it. In other words, highest quality goods circulated in Japan. Most Japanese use high quality goods.
Thank you, Dr. Ohguchi. Thank you guys for watching our video. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Oral gel was updated.
It's ab oral gel. Otherwise, conventional oral gel, 5 kinds of glue drugs are included.
Yes.
5 kinds are mastic resin, grapefruit seed, coconut oil, glue, licorice.
What is the difference with the former gel?
Mastic resin was increased.
What kind of effects are there?
It is effective in sterilization and periodontal disease prevention. In addition, it is effective against bad breath. It is also effective whitening and effective in sterilizing Helicobacter pylori.
Splendid!
It's alright, even if you swallow, try it just now.
Oh, it's safe.
It's safe. It's possible to use from a small child to the elderly in peace.
You can buy it from here.
Yeah. Please remember, it is doctor's product.